Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well at your places and taking care of yourselves. Students, this is Priyanka here and once again I welcome you all to your online session of English Mulberry. Students, as we know that our summer vacations are over now, so we are supposed to back to the study, right? But before starting today's class, I just want to know about the holiday homework. Students, I hope you all have done your holiday homework which was given to you before break. Very good. So, in today's video, we are going to move on to the remaining work of chapter number 3, right? Before summer break, students, I have given you the explanation of chapter number 3, that was the rainbow fish, right? And we have already done the word meaning of this chapter. So in today's video, we are going to do some of the exercise with the question answers of this chapter. So students, you all are requested to take out your Mulberry book and let's start today's class. So students, you all are requested to take out your Mulberry book and open page number 38, and we are going to start with the quick answer. Okay, so look at this one. Put a tick against the sentences that are true and put a cross against those that are false. So the first one is, the blue fish was more beautiful than the rainbow fish. No, because the rainbow fish was the most beautiful and colorful fish in the sea, right? So it would be wrong. Now come to the next one. At first, the rainbow fish was proud and selfish. Yes, in the beginning of the story, it was very proud and selfish. Next is, the starfish told the rainbow fish to give away his scales. No. Then who told it? It was octopus who told the starfish to give away all his scales, right? Now come to the D1. The octopus knew that giving makes us happy, right? So we will put a tick against this one. Next is, the rainbow fish was sad that he had only one shiny scale left. No, because at the end of the story it was very happy. After giving all his shiny scales to all the fish, it was very happy. Okay. So students, do this exercise here only. Okay, no need to write this exercise in notebook. And now come to the question answers. Look at the reference to context. See, come play with us, said the other fish. But the rainbow fish did not play with them. So the question that is related to this line is, how was the rainbow fish different from the other fish? So students, here is the answer. Lesson 3, reference to context. And the answer is, the rainbow fish was different from the other fish because it was more colorful and beautiful than the others. Okay. Now come to the next one. Why did the rainbow fish not play with the other fish? So the answer is, the rainbow fish did not play with the other fish because he was very proud of his beauty. He was very proud and selfish at the beginning of the story, right? So the rainbow fish did not play with other fish because he was very proud of his beauty. Now come to the next question. How did the rainbow fish feel when the other fish went away? The answer would be, the rainbow fish felt alone. So students, you are supposed to do all the question answers in your fair notebook in good handwriting. And now come to the third one. The rainbow fish swam to the octopus. The first question that is related to this line is, who told the rainbow fish to go to the octopus? So the answer is, it was a starfish, right? The starfish told the rainbow fish to go to the octopus. Question number second is, why did the rainbow fish go to the octopus? The rainbow fish went to the octopus to ask why nobody liked me, means liked him. Okay, once again, the rainbow fish went to the octopus to ask why nobody liked him. Now, look at the next one. What did the octopus tell the rainbow fish to do? So the answer is, the octopus told the rainbow fish to give away his shiny scales. Once again, the octopus told the rainbow fish to give away his shiny scales. Right? Now come to the read, reflect and write. And look at question number 4. A film has film stars. The stars of a story are called characters. List the sea creatures that are the stars of this story. So the answer is, the stars of this story are the rainbow fish, blue fish, octopus and starfish. Once again, the stars of this story are the rainbow fish, blue fish, octopus and starfish. Now come to the next question, that is, why did the rainbow fish not give a scale to the blue fish at first? So the answer is, the rainbow fish did not give a scale to blue fish at first because his scales made him the most beautiful and she was very proud of them. Okay, why she is not ready to give his scales to blue fish? Because the rainbow fish did not give a scale to the blue fish at first because his scales made him the most beautiful and she was very proud of them. Clear? Now come to the next question. How did the rainbow fish feel when he gave away his scales? Why do you think he felt this way? So the answer is, the rainbow fish felt very happy. It made him feel this way because this made the other fish happy. At the end, I told you at the end of the story, when the rainbow fish gave away all his scales to the other fish, it was very happy, right? Why she was happy? Because this made the other fish happy, right? So students, these were the question answers of this chapter. So you do these question answers in your classwork notebook in good handwriting, and you are supposed to learn it well. Okay, and the remaining exercises of this chapter I'll give you in the next video. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.